You know, when you're tired of going big with big pharma, maybe you should just turn around and get back into the farm. Food for thought. Hey everybody, it is Randy down here at Cupcake Market Farms in beautiful Texas City, Texas. Literally a couple hundred yards off of the Gulf. Absolutely love it. As promised, in 2026, we are going to dive super duper deep into herbs and vegetables that you can plant so that you can say goodbye to big pharma and hello to farm. I mean, let's think about it. After all, our bodies, well, according to the Bible, our bodies are made of dirt. We're made from the ground. Well, like all the plants that we naturally put in the ground, whether it's a big tree out in our backyard, our tomato plants or lettuces, it doesn't matter. We have to add our nutrients to make sure that they grow and produce healthy quality food. Our bodies are the same. And that's the reason why we're going to dive into a huge delivery of what vitamins, minerals, health benefits that herbs have, herbs that are no longer talked about. And I'm 99% sure that's because Big Pharma doesn't want us to know that we could literally heal ourselves with a plant called milk thistle. We could literally heal our bodies with a plant called oregano. Oregano? My goodness. And I'm going to give you guys 3 examples of some of the stuff we're going to start producing for our YouTube channel here starting in January. But first, I'm going to take you for a walk because one of the things I mentioned is much like our bodies, our soil needs nutrients too. And I just want to show you guys that on this farm, we use a 100% manure-based compost. We, of course, mix our chopped up wood chips in it to help add more nutrients. Every 3rd season, I then, of course, bring in mushroom compost just to add up a little flavor and just to make sure that the nutrients that I do take out each and every grow cycle, I'm easily putting them back just to make sure that all my plants have what they need. And forgive me that a lot of these boxes are a bit empty. And, we're 10 days from Christmas. So, well, even though we can still grow pretty good down here in Houston, I realize that for the most part, it's just the greens. But here's 3 things that I'm going to share with you that we're going to reach out about this season. And what we're going to talk about is, I'm going to use these 3 right in front of me. I'm going to adjust that camera a little bit. As you can tell, I have a workout center, but I barely use it. DE, delicious herb, another nickname for it. Do you guys realize this helps purify our blood? 1 little teaspoon a day mixed with just cool water, you're good to go. And I was telling you about oregano. Oh gosh, the smell and of course the flavor, we know it so well, especially when we're making an Italian dish like marinara, things like that. But did you know the oil from oregano will clear your body up, will help eliminate just about every sickness, cancer there is, just from the oil? And you know how easy it is? We literally can mince this up. We'll dice this up real nice and fine with our chopper. And we will put this in a quart jar, same kind of quart jar we use for pickling, cucumbers and okra and things. And just let it sit for about 2 weeks in the dark closet. We have oil of oregano. A couple of drops every day. Oh my Lord. I kid you not, about 2 weeks ago, the beginning of December, I started getting a little tickle, a little itch in my throat. I thought I was going to get sickness. My beautiful bride, you guys have met her, Veronica, she gave me 4 drops of that oil of oregano. 15 minutes later, I was running a marathon. And this goofy looking, I think it's called okra. Do you guys know this actually digests in our bodies and gets rid of microplastics? I think you'd be amazed on how much food we consume that carries microplastics and how horrible that is for our bodies. Okra eliminates or helps digest and eliminate microplastics in our body. Those are just 3 examples of food that you can grow in your yard that will help heal your bodies. Oh my goodness, can you imagine that? I'm gonna spin this around so we can go for a walk while we talk. It's a beautiful pool, but unfortunately we've had some cool days, so this pool is about 68 degrees right now. And I don't know about you, but I'm a little too old for a polar plunge. But it's amazing that herbs alone that you can grow in your home will fix your body up, will help re-heal your body, will help become a parasite cleanse naturally. And the goal on this is to say goodbye to pharma and hello to farm. So if you find yourself in your backyard and you're just sick and tired of mowing, well, one of my favorite sayings, quit mowing and start growing. Seriously. You understand the health benefits of green beans? How about arugula? Oh, and bok choy or beets. Even beets. How amazing those are. Folks make billions a year making that beet powder and selling it in little tubs for us consumers to enjoy. That is well overpriced and probably has fillers in it. Don't quote me on that. I don't want to make anyone mad, but seriously, I mean, we're paying billions of dollars a year for this. And this is something we can put in our dirt and we could grow it ourselves. Wouldn't that just be better? Then, of course, especially if you're like us, we're a 100% no-till, no pesticides, no chemical farm right here in Texas City. This next year, we have one of those beautiful trailers coming up, just like Wishwell has up there in Ohio. Wishwell Farms, if you guys don't know that name, I invite you, and I certainly invite you, check him out right here on YouTube. Jason and his family, they've been around for, I think it's 3 or 4 generations, and that man has intelligence. He has tried it all. Fantastic. But he has a produce trailer that we've actually ordered. It's being built in Ohio, of all places, up in the northern part. We'll get that early next year, I think around the end of January, early February. So we will have 3 satellite locations already predestined, starting in about February and March, where we'll come once a week and sell you guys our fresh produce. But our approach is always the same. 0 pesticides, 0 chemicals. I literally want to come out, pick that green bean, and eat it. I don't want to have to go in the house and wash it. In fact, I'm going to prove my point. You know, we just picked like a bushel of beans the other day, so I'm kind of hoping I can find a green bean. But oh, there's one right there. Let me sling this over, guys. See, look at that. That is 100% organically grown green bean. No chemicals, no pesticides. Clip the tips. I'm sure Grandma taught us that when you guys were kids too. Oh yeah, that is flavor. You can go down to the local grocery and get green beans for what, $1.50, $2 a pound. Where did they come from? Well, how were they grown? Did the field hands urinate all over it? Did the machine get oil, hydraulic fluids on it? Is there wax on it? What kind of pesticides did they use? I know exactly where this green bean's been. It went from a seed in my bag to the dirt into my tummy. My wife and I harvest these about twice a week off of this little run. Of course, in the heat of the summer, we do 2 or 3 times a week, but we have a whole lot more rows of it because we sell a lot of green beans. We only charge $1.50 a pound for fresh picked green beans. I pick them on a Monday, they're on our trailer on Tuesday. I pick them on Wednesday, they're on the trailer on Thursday. Same with Friday, because Saturday we have our big market right down the road in beautiful Friendswood that we go to. Start living your best life, and that's exactly why we've set up this series that I'm going to deep dive all of the information I can find on just about every herb I can find that we grow. If we don't grow it, I want you to start growing it. Share it with your community. Become friends with your neighbors, your new neighbors that just moved in. Grow a garden and get to know them. Invite them over and their family, their children or whatever. Get to know your family, get to know your friends, your new friends, I should say. I think it was my mom that used to say a stranger is just a friend you haven't met yet. So with that said, I'm going to stop preaching. I'm going to hope that you guys have an amazing Merry Christmas this year, a Happy New Year. I look so forward to putting all these videos together after the first of the year to explain in depth and detail of the nutrient value, the health benefits, because our number one goal obviously is to get off of pharmacy. And you do realize, and my mom, I'm not sounding mean when I say this, but my mother literally has one of those little plastic deals that has like 30 pills every day, because she has to take this pill for this, and then this pill has to come to offset what this pill did because it would destroy something else. And so the cycle continues, and my poor mother's got 30 pills she has to take. I take none, my wife take none, none of our kids take none here. We don't believe in it. I believe that if there's an issue inside our bodies, can we heal it with our farm versus a pharmaceutical? That's the approach, and that's what I'm after. I make no guarantees and I make no promises, but I just want to give you the facts. Whether the pharmacy companies want to have you know this or not, you can actually heal yourself pretty well. So with that said, again, Merry Christmas to you guys. Thank you for following along with us. Give us a like or a subscription. It costs you nothing, but it sure makes us happy down here at the farm. And with that said, I'm just going to carry the camera in, show you the tomatoes today. And then I'll leave you alone. You guys have a blessed rest of the week. There's some beautiful tomatoes. Oh yeah. Those are my indeterminates. Pulled my strings up the other day. I got my determinates. I got rid of the little suckers the other day as well.